DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking Nissan Qashqai in part exchange. It's not our usual stock, but it's in lovely condition, drives superb. It's just got over a 12-month MOT. It's a really nice car, very reliable, being a Nissan 2-litre petrol. So the bodywork's absolutely excellent. It's the n-tec. Boot area's in lovely condition. Interior's nice. The large panoramic roof as well. It's got quite a few extras. This large panoramic roof. Interior, as you can see. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 106,972 miles. We've got satellite navigation, reverse camera, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd like I say. A nice, very reliable car. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.